Hi guys, it's Daily D again, another episode of unboxing. So this is the JBL Pulse 4. So it costs around 12,000, but in listening room, where I got it from, they're giving away a 20% discount if you pay for it in cash. So let's get to it. All right, so nice box, nice. So pads, and so it's, I don't think they have a manual. All right, it's pretty heavy. It's heavy. All right, so I got the black one. There's black and white. So I chose the black one just because normally white turns into yellow and it looks like trash and it looks fake, whatever. So I got rid of that. And what else do we have here? We have Type C, cable Type C, I guess for charging. Oh guys, this is waterproof, just so you know. Alright, so that's that. Manual that nobody reads. Alright, I guess that's it. So let's do another video. We'll dive down, see how it works. Alright guys, so time to turn this thing on. Or maybe hold it. Oh yeah, party time. So you guys gotta download this app as well. It's JBL portable. So again, let's try and connect it. Oh, that was quick. Party mode, stereo mode, light up a party, get started. I guess so. It says light show. Oh, so you can change the color. Boom. Oh, what about this one? I've seen this that you can shake it. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Alright, so I guess. Alright, so it has different settings. Also guys, if you turn down the volume, it's on this side. You see this. So to play, as soon as you turn down the volume, it also shows you how low the volume is. So, see that? Right. Okay. Alright, so let's test how it sounds. So, let's see how it sounds like. Let's turn on Spotify. And let's get some going right here. Alright. Alright, bass is on top.
Pull up, like, how you pull up, baby? How you pull up?
Nice.
How you pull up?
Sounds pretty cool. Sounds good.
Step in the kitchen. Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini.
Oh, sick. My table is vibrating, guys. Oh, there you go. Change color. Change color. Nice. Alright guys, so that's it. Basically this product is made of, I think, acrylic or like pretty thick plastic or glass, but it's heavy, super heavy. It looks like, there you go. Also what it is that it's waterproof. So I'm gonna put up another clip where you'd see that it's waterproof. It also has 12 hours of playtime. I haven't tested it out, but most probably it will. And again, it has a feature that right here is called Party Boost. So if you have like 2-3 of these, you know, around your home, you can link it all together, and basically it will play one song simultaneously. So peace out, guys. Daily D. Stay tuned for the next unboxing or whatever I want to do.